inside the box. So it's a puck system, Gooseneck Hitch kit, model 60638, 38,000 pounds. Wow. So it says it's for the Ram 2500 and 3500 series. Well, here we are at our favorite place, all these car accessories, and we are here the puck system Gooseneck. So let's see if we can install this one here. I don't see a hole for it here. Let me see this one. I don't know, I don't think this is gonna work either. So here we have, this is the what, the 3500? Yeah, this one already have one of these hitches in the back and underneath this cover. But this one, it's too tall for this. We will need it for the other one. Let's see that. Take it there. So this one has this kind of, this square right here where it will go. This requires a lot more than I can do, at least today. So we were not able to do the installation. It looks like we need another part. This truck, as you saw, already has a gooseneck on the bed, which is underneath that cover. And this one will have it there, but we need another piece or a more serious professional installer, not like me. So we'll see what we can do later. Stay tuned. So as you saw, we tried to install this kit on my friend's truck, but after a little research we realized that to be able to use it, we need a truck that comes from the factory with the holes for this gooseneck. So I came to this dealership near my house and they have several models here. We're gonna install it here and actually leave it here for the buyer of one of these trucks. So here's the hole that comes already from the factory. The bed is already set up like that. And this is super easy. Then this has a key in here, so you open it like this. There it is. You put it in, close it, and it's set now. These hooks that come with the kit also go there. You can use the pin to secure them. You put your load, whatever it is, and you secure them like that. There's another one for this side. There it is. And where you're not using the gooseneck here, this ball, you just turn it around, you pull it out, and it comes with this nice cap. And then you put this away here. So there you have it, a demonstration. So when you order some of these kits, you have to be careful and make sure your truck has this already from the factory. If it doesn't, you won't be able to use it. Let's put these ones here. The key and the cap. So there it is. The important thing is to have this on your truck from the factory. And I'm gonna give it away here to this Dadeland Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep and Ram dealership. Someone will get it as a gift.